Good morning, everybody. Today is gonna be a work day for y'all, an apply information day. But just so you all have the directions, we are still focusing on the Bill of Rights today. Today we are in class. We're gonna sing the Bill of Rights. So if you want to sing, go ahead and get the just YouTube the 12 Days of Christmas, and then you have the tune and you can sing it over it. We've done it in class. I actually today uploaded the PowerPoint right here. So if you need the words, you have them, or if you need to review it, you can. After that, we'll be taking the Bill of Rights quiz. Quiz over the Bill of Rights, followed by a ed puzzle called Future Fright, which is kind of a world without a Bill of Rights, to kind of show you kind of what it would be like. So on your own day, it's a work day. Tomorrow, we're going to be looking at ratification of the Constitution and the Federalist and the Anti-Federalist. But if I don't see you today, I will see you then.